Alright, so I'm doing a review of the Sobeys Atlantic salmon with marinated Cajun. So here it is, all cooked up. Let's do a quick taste test. I cooked it in the air fryer for about 16 minutes. So there we go. Got a piece right there. It has a nice seasoning. You can feel the spices in there, but it's lacking a little bit of salt. Otherwise, it's pretty good. All right, definitely check it out, guys. We'll see you on next videos.